All right, we got about 30 seconds to the market opens. Yesterday, I swung these calls, these $400 SPY calls, and I mean, just look at this. We are there. So I'm gonna toss them right at the open. I got my order, everything ready on my other screen, and we got like 3 seconds, and I'm gonna toss them. 400 calls in the money. Let's see what it does. I'm tossing them. Great job. I did it. I really did it. 400 calls in the money. We did it. I think we made like definitely 100% on those. Yeah, look at that drop. I mean, we just glad we tossed those. But let's see what else we can do. Just alerting the Discord that I'm live streaming now. And we're gonna see what we can do. I'm not sure what I want to do yet. I think this drop is definitely superficial. Does that mean I want to go long again? Well, I don't know. I'm looking at something. Hell yeah, we got that trade. That was a good trade, that overnight. I'm glad we really got that. Yeah, it was. I was listening to a space and Gavin. You guys know him on Twitter. Gavin actually mentioned him, and I checked him out. There was a lot of open interest, and it looked like a really good option. So I said, you know what? All right, let's do it. I took the call, and I had puts, and I was down a bunch. If you guys remember, actually, I didn't make a video, but this was towards the end of the day. I actually wasn't streaming or on had a YouTube video right then. But I actually had puts and I was down like $100. I was like, okay, whatever. And we took these calls, and man, these calls put me green big time. Up like 300 from those. So I really only took like a $200 gain after that put mess up. But yeah, that was a real good swing there. That those calls just murdered it. All right. Not really sure what I want to do here. We're up a lot on SPY in general. I mean, SPY is just up a bunch. That doesn't mean it'll stop. News could have came out, something could have happened where it's just going, 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 and then it's gone. So I don't know. I mean, we'll have to see. Volume's not checking out there. Or you know what? That is volume checking out. Because that was a fight between buyers and sellers right here. So that has a higher volume than this candle. This candle, it was very clear which direction, so sellers didn't really take much money there. Sellers took money here. So I want to base it off of these candles now. Not that one over here. Pull up the 2 minute over here again. Still reading volume, watching and reading the volume. Not sure what I want to do yet. Looks like we're starting to see a volume change here. VWAP at up there, huh? But MFI. Looks like we're seeing some kind of change of volume. This candle here was pretty significant. And let's see if prices are just getting marked down or if this is an actual. We're really getting sellers here. We're determined by the volume. Man, there really must be no demand. This thing is just pumping down like that. I mean, it's just we got no buyers with this thing going straight down on low volume like that. I guess that's where the buyers want to come in, is this level here. VWAP still up 398. Seeing now increasing buy volume, definitely from that previous candle over here. 2 minutes says increasing sell volume, but the spreads are getting weaker here. So it might be That definitely might be indication of a reversal coming. I'm gonna try some calls. Let's do it. I'm gonna do let's do a 400 call. I'm gonna do just one share or one contract, and I'm just gonna go. Let's go. Take it. I'm in, and it just popped right as I got it. I'm gonna take another one here. I'm gonna look to sell as we break through this resistance here. I could add one more contract, but I don't know. I could. I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna take one at the bid. Nice, I got one. And let's get ready to start dumping it as it breaks through this resistance here. See where VWAP's at. Yeah, it's up there. There we go. I'll take one there. And I'm gonna close these other two at the bid. Once there's a real reason to get out, I'm just gonna close these. Right now, there's not really a reason. You know, I wanna start seeing the volume change. Which, you know what, I think it did actually. I'm gonna get out there. See if I can get it. Oh, I didn't get it. See if it even does any filling for me. Orders. Hmm. I'm gonna leave that order there actually, and we'll let it get filled up there. I could even add one contract here, but I don't really want to average down. You know, I want to see it do what I'm liking it to do, and then I want to add. I really wish I would have sold at the bid there. I didn't get filled. I try to toss them there. I'd imagine it's gonna come up past that resistance again because that's where VWAP is. And it doesn't. It's not always like that, you know. Just because VWAP is there doesn't mean it has to hit that level. But since we're in the beginning of the open, we're seeing increased buying here. I think it's gonna go back up towards VWAP, so there's a chance I could get filled for sure. So I'm gonna leave those two orders there, and we'll take that money. And that'll be the last trade. That'll be it. See if you can push up and do it. We guys should have gotten filled. Not yet, I don't think so. There we go. Now I got filled. Okay. That's it. Had a good trade. That was pretty good. We risk managed nice. We took money off the table when it came up to what we thought it was going to come up to here. And we actually got slippage. So I tried to hit the bid, and it didn't, or at least I thought I hit the bid, but I think I actually sold at the ask, and I didn't get filled. But I knew it was gonna come back up to that zone, or you know what? I didn't know, right? It's not like no, I'm a future seer. It's not like that, you know. The probabilities was that it was gonna come back up to that zone by the way the price action was looking. I said, you know what? That's okay. I'm gonna leave my sell there, and we should see it shortly, and we did. So probabilities were on my side there. That's good. We made pretty decent money today after that overnight swing, and then we had that little scalp there. Pretty decent. Other than that, that's it. We might see you guys later. I might do a power hour one as well, and we'll just keep that. All right. Thanks for watching. Peace out.